Hey guys, it's finally happening. I am heading to Bali, a place I've been dreaming about for so long. It's a late night flight from Delhi, and honestly, there's something magical about airports at night. Everyone is so sleepy but excited. So I grabbed my window seat because I always need that view when I wake up. So I didn't find anything interesting to watch. So I had my dinner and I slept. Obviously, I was very tired. Woke up with such a beautiful view. And then breakfast was served, and I had my coffee, and I did a little skincare too. Touched down. I headed straight to my Airbnb. This is the villa. Here is the kitchen, sitting area. This is the swimming pool. Now here comes the bedroom. So gorgeous. This is the mirror. This is the study area, my bag, and this is the washroom. So aesthetic. This is me, all tired and drained. So I'm gonna freshen up and head out after this. Okay, bye. So this is what I am wearing. We are going to Uluwatu Temple, then to Melasti Beach. I am wearing a swimsuit underneath, so yeah, this is how it looks. We are heading to Uluwatu Temple. This temple was so beautiful and serene. I could spend hours here. It was truly therapeutic to just listen to the waves. I have reached Uluwatu Temple. After spending time here, I went to Melasti Beach, applying sunscreen, of course. And honestly, views on the way were so stunning. I spent hours there just chilling and listening to the waves. And then I saw the most amazing, most beautiful Bali sunset. By the time I left, I was extremely tired, so I ended the day at Gooseberry Café with coffee, of course, and later I had dinner. Then finally back to my Airbnb, tired, happy, and already excited for tomorrow. See you. Bye.